Alright, YouTube. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna really do an update. I really rearranged. You remember all that over there? No, probably not. I got that. I'm gonna get 2 more so I can put Gabe's 2 tanks. He's gotta get me those still. But here's the snake and the cane toad. I'm not gonna get them out because they just ate today. And here's the water dog and everything else. I need a light for him. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a flashlight to show you what's been going on. Alright. Remember how he had all the gills and the long tail? I can't shine the light on him. Alright. See how small his gills are? Look at his tail. He is turning fast. I really need to get another tank from Gabe soon so I can separate them to where he's half water, half land, and then otherwise he'll probably die, drowned. And this is home to a new animal. I am going to try and show you, so I'm going to take off the heavy stuff to hold it down, otherwise he will jump and push it open. I don't know where he is. Okay, he's over there in that corner. It's going to be so hard. I don't want to do this. So I'm going to put down the camera. Alright. That was a lot easier than I thought. I'm going to run too long. It's probably a bad idea. Have it like that. Alright. Dry my hands. I don't have a towel in here. I have to use that. Alright. It's an American bullfrog. I just caught him tonight. He already ate something. It was a big old, I don't remember what it was. I think it was, yeah, it was a cricket. Yeah, I forget what, a mole cricket. Big mole cricket. And so, this guy, he weighs probably half a pound. He is huge. And surprisingly, bass will still eat this one. And I can safely say that I'm gonna be keeping him for a little bit. Okay, he's over there in his water ditch. Right. While he's in there, we're safe. Alright. Here's his cage. It's a big tub. Takes up a quarter of the, I'd say about half. About 2/4, no. You can't say 2/4. About a little bit more than a quarter of a tank. About a quarter and a half. And then I have a rock. Big rock. For, I don't know. It just makes it look cooler. And the substrate is just dirt. It's just potting soil. He's fine when he's in the water dish. He's really easy to take out then. Because he doesn't know what the heck is going on. He goes stiff. And once you get him out, he's easy going from there. He's really pretty tame, I'd say. Sorry for taking the camera off. But he's big. He's a big boy. I'm really glad that he ate already. He ate one mole cricket. I'm gonna have to go. I don't know, catch something. So, and then that one is too small to fit any tanks in there. So that one right there is for supplies and stuff. And remember my thing that this is what I brought him home with. I had there for the leopard geckos. For now it's gonna be in here because it's just got supplies and stuff in it. And neon. And there's no new things. So yeah. I can't wait till he's a salamander. Hopefully I'll get that tank before he turns. Otherwise I'm gonna have to put him into a bin until I can get that tank. So thanks for watching anyways. So bye.